I love this rabbit goo. It's the fluted window film. I got this for a bunch of different areas for my house because my house has these really big glass panels, and so it kind of feels like you're in a fishbowl. And so I tried a bunch of different films and they weren't so good. This one is awesome. I get the one that it's like ribbed. I think it's fluted or something like that. And it is so easy to put on. At first there's a bit of a learning curve, but I kind of made like a cardboard cutout on top. So just like 3 sides of the cardboard. And then I like put that on top. And then that's how I lined it up because I had several windows that were the same dimensions. And I just bought the size that is like a little bit smaller than an actual glass panel. So I didn't have to do any cutting. I did have to do one cutting in the bathroom because the window was a little bit different size. So I'll tell you a little bit about how the cutting process is too. But so I made I made a template and then you just spray it with a bunch of water. So you're gonna need these extra tools that don't come with this film, and you spray a bunch of water and then you unpeel it, and there's a nice little handy tab where it's easy to unpeel, and then you have to go down and then you like scrape down with this tool. It's kind of like a squeegee tool until it gets all nice and flat. And then there are going to be some bubbles on there. Do not be alarmed. You just smooth out the bubbles and eventually you'll get this really nice firm fit. And it is great because you really do get a lot of privacy, but you don't compromise the light coming in. So the whole purpose of having these windows is to allow a lot of natural light to come in, and this allows them to come in. And I just really love the texture of this. It's so pretty. It looks a little mid-century modern. And so I have these on my sliding glass doors, and then I have them in my bathroom as well, and then I have them in my den. So these are just awesome. Highly recommend them. They're by Rabbit Goo. And again, the edges, you can see the edges stay on really, really good. A lot of like the older films that I tried using, the edges will start to peel, and I've had these up for almost a year, and like it's great. They don't peel at all. And every now and then, like you'll see some bubbles pop up, and you just like lift it, respray it, and then you get the bubbles out. And it's just a lot more cost efficient than like trying to, redo your windows or I don't know, have a professional come out and do it. You can just do it yourself, and it looks really, really cool. Here I am on the other side, so you can see how much like it blocks out. Super cool. Love this. Looks really good. It's by Rabbit Goo. They have a bunch of different sizes. And like I said, it is just a small learning curve, but it's not impossible to do by yourself. If you have 2 people, it'll probably be a little bit easier if it's someone you work well with. But I did all of my panels by myself, and I just love the way it looks. It looks amazing. So highly recommend this Rabbit Goo stuff. Look at that. Looks amazing. Beautiful. Look at that. Still lets the light in. So there you have it, the best film out there. If you want to get this yourself, I linked it in the description below. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing reviews about stuff around home and stuff I use in general.